The letter Q. Q stands for quail. The quail quakes at the thought of quizzes. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write a lowercase q. Put your pencil on the dotted line and curve to the left and down to the baseline. Go back up to the dotted line, then retrace this line and go down below the baseline to the bottom line. This is called a descender. Curve back up and to the right, curving inward to close the loop on the baseline. Then draw the line out and up to the right, ending in a smile. Write the letter Q in the air. Let's practice. Now let's write the uppercase Q. It has a tail. Put your pencil on the baseline and curve up and left all the way to the top line and around back to the beginning, making a slanted circle. Now make a loop in the circle. Bring your line up to the left, then over and down. Close the loop by crossing the circle just above the baseline. Now make a tail by bringing your line outside the circle down to the baseline and curve up, ending in a smile. Now write the letter Q in the air. Let's practice. Both uppercase Q and lowercase q connect with their smiles. Write an uppercase Q and connect it to a lowercase q. Let's write the word chi. Chi is a Chinese word that means life force. The smile of lowercase q becomes the first stroke of the lowercase I. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills!